Okay, well here we are. Hacker Marine Herald RP32 finished at long last. Yeah, gave me a bit of a run around this one. I've had to really pull the whole IF strip apart, rebuild it. I put all new resistors in, new capacitors. It's had the works, to be honest. So yeah, I even changed the transistors back to zapped AF117s to get a bit more gain. The problem was it was very low gain. Well, I say very low. It was lower gain than I was happy with, shall we say. So anyway, I've done it. It's a lot better now. So let's start her off on medium wave. There's not a lot here on long wave or medium wave, and shortwave is very unlikely because that's the marine band, which runs from 1.5 megs up to 4.2. So the only chance we got on that is night time, really, but we'll give it a try. Anyway, let's try medium wave.
Well, all of their channels will be showing the same broadcast from 6 AM. The BBC, we don't know their precise plans yet.
So this is a station that's really difficult to get, which is Radio Wales.
Yabba is postponed tonight, but we will get you a new date.
So that is now working.
I mean, I've said that.
It was well, it was, you could just about hear it before, but now it's bang on.
So far, BBC Two has been showing, with the exception of today, where the announcement of the Queen's death was announced. They've been airing alternative programmes, pretty much BBC One schedule for today. We don't know yet whether they're going to be showing BBC One. Jack's numbers have got himself up as well. He's going to get more goals himself, more assists. So I think Pep knew.
It's picking up everything that I can receive here anyway. Oh, hello. That's my phone kicking off with it now. Let's move the phone away for a minute. Didn't like that, did it? Yeah, that's about all that we're going to get on medium wave, long wave. So we should have, oh, Ireland. Let me just zoom in a bit. So we should have Ireland around here somewhere.
Companies will then contact the customers that have transferred and explain to them what their options might be. So, in other words, they may then reach out. They will
very,
then reach
very
out
good.
to them to explain if they lock in.
That's
for
almost
a
as
year
good
or
reception
2
as
years
Radio
or
4,
whatever,
actually.
the
Very,
terms
very
of
good.
the best deal are, but they could also
So we should have France
those suppliers.
next.
You're responsible for regulating the provision of electricity rather than regulating.
Un gros nid de guerre chez moi, il a fallu que je le traite. Et ensuite, on parle d'amour, de drague. Comment Laurent a séduit sa compagne?
Vous l'avez séduite comment?
Vous allez laisser barrer. Oh non, mais écoute, ça me fait plaisir. C'est bon, c'est pour moi.
Yeah, very good. And finally Radio 4, around 1500, hopefully.
The lack of closeness of the relationship. I think China would have been quite happy for Russia to have had a rapid military victory in Ukraine, expecting it to be over, as Putin did, in a week or so. Now that it's long drawn out and the sanctions being imposed by the West, I think China is pretty unhappy by the...
So nothing else on medium wave. Let's try shortwave, but unlikely, to be fair. Yeah, ferrite rod in this thing is not really going to get a lot. Really, I think for shortwave you need to be plugging in an external aerial there to get anything. Could try it indoors, but see it going along here and not even a whisper. Done a full RF alignment on this as well. It's interfering with my phone again. Yeah, nothing at all this time of day on a shortwave, but as I say, it does work. I've got it connected up to my aerial upstairs. So there you are. Let's have a quick look in the back. It's got a couple of these batteries that Simon let me have in there at the moment. Just I've refixed the stickers with PVA, so they're back in permanently. There's my nice brand new IF strip. As you can see, new resistors, new capacitors, back to the AF117s. Everything done. I've done an RF alignment and tuned the aerial coils. I've done all the trimmers in the back. I've trimmed the front end. Yeah, there's nothing, no stone left unturned with this one. So hopefully Michael will enjoy that for a very long time. It certainly is a showpiece anyway. So there you are. Let's put it back together. That's it. Hacker Marine Herald, all done. Thanks for watching.